As you can see on the screen that I just got a 75 gig data valid for 1 day. You can see right here, congratulations, you received 75 gig valid for 1 day. To get your 75 gig of data for totally free, for iOS device, you go over to your app store, and for the Android device, you go over to your Play Store. This is actually working. So I will advise, after watching this video, you take your time to download this app and get your 75 gig of data. This might not last long because this is actually a new way of dragging users to this platform. But before I proceed, guys, in showing you how to get your 75 gig of data from this app, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, with that being said, let's dive into it. So this particular app can be found on each Play Store. Just come right here and type the Money Master. Right? Once you type the Money Master, you download the app. This is actually the app. So when you finish downloading the app, I'm going to show you what you should do. But make sure you watch this video down to the very end because I'll be showing other users how to get their 75 gig of data. Now you go ahead to open this particular app. So you hold on. It's a bit slow. So you go ahead to open this particular app. Most times it's a bit slow. Just take your time and follow the process. Now you can see this particular section, then you click on next. So right here, for you to start using this particular platform to get your 75 gig of data, you would need to create an account for yourself. And creating an account, you will need to use your Glow line to open an account on this particular Money Master app. So you're going to come right here and click on open an account. So you're going to fill out all these details and you're going to set up an account for yourself. So right here, you're going to put in your Glow number, your email address, your state, verification method, and click on continue. So by following this process, you are going to be getting your 75 gig of data for totally free. So for you that you've actually used BVN for this, you will go ahead to use your NIN, just follow the prompt, and if you have actually gotten this, you can use the BVN method to get your 75 gig of data. So this is what you're to do. Just follow the prompt and you're going to be getting closer to getting your gig. So what I'm going to do right now is to insert my NIN right here, and I'm going to proceed with this. So what you just have to do is to pay close attention so you don't have to do any mistake while doing this, right? So once you're done, you will be given instantly your 75 gig of data on your account. So I'm going to click on continue right here, and I'm going to proceed. So right here, you just have to follow the process as you're seeing this on the screen. So it's very simple. A lot of users have actually jumped into it and gotten their 75 gig of data. So the platform is a bit slow, so just take your time and you're going to get everything fixed. So I'm going to come right and also insert my BVN, and I'm going to click on continue. Right, so this is the process you're going to follow. So right now they ask for an OTP that has been sent to your number. So an OTP will be sent to that number using creating this Money Master. So I'm going to insert that code right here, and I'm going to proceed. So I'm going to insert that code right here, and I'm going to proceed, and I'm going to hit on continue. So you can see that the process is very simple. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how other network providers can benefit from this. That is, if you stay to the end. So right now, I'm going to click on confirm, right? And I'm going to enter a password and confirm that password as well. So I've actually entered and confirmed my password. So I'm going to hit the continue button. Now, you just have to hold on. So the next thing I want to do is to set a security question so I can always come back to give response to this, right, whenever is needed. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to hit the continue button. So this is the process. Very simple. Just follow the prompt and you're good to go. So the moment you do this, you're going to be getting a 75 gig of data. Now I'm asked to create a pin, so I'm going to enter a pin right here, and I'm going to hit continue. I'm still going to confirm that pin right here and hit on continue, right? So you can see transaction pin was created successfully. So right now I'm done with the creation of the account. Now what is left is for them to send the 75 gig of data instantly to the mobile number I use in registering this particular account. So what you just have to do is to follow the prompt, follow it step by step, make sure your details are correct, make sure your Glow number is actually correct, and you're going to be getting this instantly into your Glow SIM. As you can see right now, I just recently got the 75 gig of data to my device, so I'm going to be displaying that on the screen right now. As you can see on the screen that I just got a 75 gig data valid for 1 day. You can see right here, congratulations, you received 75 gig valid for 1 day. So this is for Money Master. So what you can actually do is to get started with this particular updates before they stop giving out the 75 gig of data for free. If you have watched this video to this point, like I said, I'll be showing other network how they can benefit from this. What you can actually do is to go down on the comment section and comment your particular network, and I'm going to make another video explaining and showing you how you can as well get your own app just like the way they have it on Glow, right? So for Glow users, you can use this particular app as your bank. You can receive and send money, you can buy airtime, you can buy data, you can pay for electricity bills, you can do so many other things on this platform. Now when you come right here, you can see where it says send and receive money in a minute. You can send your mobile number to people that want to send you money, and to directly come into your money app, right? You can actually see right here that they have the home button, they have the transaction, and also they have the menu button. Now this is actually how you can use this particular app, just like the way we have it on OPay, Money Points, and MTN, Momo, Mobile Money, and the likes of others. So what you can actually do is to use this particular app wisely. So if you check your account right now, you will see that you've gotten your 75 gig of data. That is for Glow users that have actually followed the prompt right from the beginning to this point. You are going to be getting your 75 gig of data valid for 1 day. Now when you come right here, you can as well add money to this particular app. Just like I said, it's just like a bank. You can go ahead to add money to this particular bank. So it is actually for Glow users. So like I said, if you are interested in knowing the available one for your network, go down on this particular video and comment the particular network you're using, and I'll be making another video just for you, so you can as well be part of this benefit. So that is all you can actually get from this video. Your comment actually will prompt me to make another video depending on the amount of comments I have regarding a particular network provider. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, if you have any question, feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. It is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section, where you get more updates that are similar to this on our private channel. So see you on my next video and keep winning.